Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the fractions. Use fractions in the context of units of length, time, and money. This is in chapter 5, interconcept, term 2. Okay, now let us see the heading one by one. Now already we know that, okay, the units are already we know that. First one is 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Okay. Then 500 meter means that half kilometer, 1 by 2. Here we are using the fractions. 1 by 2 kilometer equal to 500 meter. See the next one, 1/4, 1 by 4 kilometer. Here also this is a fraction, 1 by 2. Half of the 1, okay, 1 by 2. Another half of the half, that is 1 by 4 kilometer, that is 250 meter. Then 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 kilometer, 3/4 part, okay. 3 by 4 kilometer equal to 750 meter. Already we know this one timetable. Okay, this is a fraction. Now we are using the fractions in the concept, in the context of units of length, time, and money. Okay, this is the unit in length. Okay. Now let us see the third heading, that is money. Money in the fractions. Okay, you have to change the money in fractions. How you can change? Now listen, already we know that 1 rupee, rupees 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. Already we know that the whole is 100 paise. So here half part of 1 rupee, you can divide the 1 rupee into 2 halves. Okay, half part of the 1 rupee, that is 50 paise. Then again you can divide this 50 paise into 2 half. Okay, so half of the half, that is 1/4. Okay, quarter part. So 1/4 part of rupees 1 equal to, that is 25 paise. Already we know that. Next one is what? 3/4. Now 3 by 4. 3/4 part. Okay, that is 3/4 part. 3 by 4 part of rupees 1, that is 75 paise. Here in this heading money we can use the fractions. So first one is rupees, the whole is 100 rupees. Half of the part, okay, half part of the 1 rupees is 50 paise. 1/4 quarter part, that is quarter part of the 1 rupee equal to 25 paise. Then 3 by 4, that is 3/4 part. Okay, that the 3/4 part, that is called 3/4 part of 1 rupee equal to 75 paise. Okay, half of the part, that is 50 paise. 1/4 of the part, that is 25 paise. 3/4 of the part, that is 75 paise. Okay, is it clear? Now let us see the example sums one by one. In that example sums, first one we can select the length heading. Okay, see the first one. So first sum is, the given sum is 2 kilometer and 500 meter. You can by using the fractions you have to find out. Okay, so you can convert everything into kilometer. So here 2 kilometer, already you can put the 2. For 500 meter, half of the 1000, that is 500. So you put the 1 by 2. The total is already 2 kilometer and 500 means that is half of a kilometer. So you can join the 2 and half. The total is 2 kilometer and 500 meter, that is the 2.5 kilometer. 2 and half. Half means that is 500 kilometer. You can mention this 500 into fractions. So the answer 2 1 by 2, that is 2.5 kilometer. Okay, see the next one. 3 kilometer and 250 meter. Okay, so you can run, this is the 3 kilometer, you put the 3, round the number. Then here 250 means what? 250 means 1/4 part. Okay, so 1 by 4. 250 meter, you can convert this 250 meter is 1 by 4 kilometer. So you can join everything. 3 kilometer and 250, instead of 250 you can put the 1 by 4. 3 1 by 4 kilometer. The final answer is 3 1 by 4 kilometer. Is it clear? Now let us see the third sum. The given sum is 7 kilometer and 750 meter. So you can write that 7, everything convert into kilometer. The 7 kilometer, so keep the 7 as it is. Here instead of 750 is what? 3/4 part, 3/4. Okay, so 7 3 by 4 kilometer. Now see the fourth one. So that is given 8 kilometer, then 500. So put that 8 as it is. Okay, the whole number, the 8 as it is. Then 500, instead of 500, that is half of the 1000. So I put that half. 8 and half. 8 kilometer and 500 meter means that is 8 1 by 2. That is 8 and half kilometer. Is it clear? Now let us see the next heading time. In that time heading, you can use the fractions in the time, measuring the time. Okay, now listen, already we know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. You have to tell 1 hour. 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. So half of the 60 is what? 30 minutes. 30 minutes means that is half an hour. 1 by 2. This is a fraction. Numerator and the denominator having means that called a fraction. In that fraction, two parts are there, upper part and down part. Upper part is called a numerator, down part is called a denominator. So here 1 by 2 hour, that is 30 minutes. So you have to tell 30 minutes equal to half an hour. So 1 by 2 hour. Here we are using the fraction. Next one 15 minutes. So half of the 30. So half of the half. Again you get to put 1 by 4. 1/4. Okay. So 15 minutes you have to tell 1/4 hour. Okay. 1 by 4 hour. Okay. Is it clear? So the next one. See the 45 minutes. So 45 minutes means 3 by 4. 3/4. Okay. 3 by 4 hour. So already we know that 1 hour 60 minutes. So 60 minutes means then half of the 60 is 30 minutes. 30 minutes means 1 by 2 hour, that is half. So 15 minutes means again half of the half, that is 1 by 4 hour. Again 45 minutes means 3/4 part. So 3 by 4 hour. Is it clear? Now let us see the given measurement, that is 2 hour is given. You have to convert everything into minutes. Already we know that. Okay. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Already you know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So here the given 2 hours. Therefore 2 hours, okay, equal to 2 into 60. You have to multiply this one. 120 minutes. 120 minutes. This is the answer. So already we know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. The given sum, that is 2 hours is given. So 2 hours equal to 2 into this 60. So that is answer is 120 minutes. So see the second sum, 3 hours and 20 minutes. Already we know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Okay. Now we can convert this one. 3 hours. Therefore 3 hours equal to 3 multiplied by 60. Okay, you have to multiply by 60. That is 180 minutes. Now here extra 20 is given. So you have to add this also. So the final answer, then 180 plus this 20 equal to 200. Okay, 200 minutes. The final answer is 200 minutes. Is it clear?